to take a step out, get some in now, let your edge out. To some ice bucket with heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? What's up, guys? It's your girl Neesyray, and I'm back with another video. So this video is clearly on this look. This is day 2 of our Valentine's Day lookbook. So I hope you all will stay and watch the whole thing, figure out how I got this beautiful eye look, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, so let's do our face. We are doing another Valentine's Day look because y'all know I'm doing a series. So let me fix this because I don't know what I did yesterday, but I just wanted my hair up while I took my shower, and now I just need it back off my face. So far I've done my brows already. I've already primed my eyes. So let's get into the look. So I am going into a very old palette. I am taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. That's where we're going with this, Jaclyn Hill. And I'm recording off of my old camera because my new camera is it needs to be charged, and I totally just forgot to charge it, and I don't have extra batteries for it, so that's my bad. I apologize, but this is what we're going for. So first I'm going to start with this dark brown shade on this bottom row. Y'all see it? And we are going to start scoping out a look. And I'm going to leave a space in between and finish off with the wing. Then I'm going to take more and connect that wing. So yeah, it's like a winged look, and we're just gonna shade that in. Okay, and I'm gonna do that on the other side. Let's see. Around. Shade. And then what I'm going to do is take a chocolate brown. So I'm going to use this one that kind of has this hole in it. So y'all can see that was a color I was using a lot. And we're going to fill that in about there. I'm supposed to be catching this with my camera too. And we're going to do this on both sides as well. I think I picked the perfect colors for this, y'all. They look about right. So now I'm going to go in with a little red. I'm going to use this shade here. It's not really red, but it's like on the verge of what I need it to be. We're gonna put a little bit of that here and in my in my crease area, but I do want to bring this down a bit. Let's put a little bit chocolate. And now we go in with the red. Alright, so that's what that is looking like. Now we're going to go in to this middle section with this shimmery red color here. See, I'm happy it looks redder on the lid, because on my wrist I was like, this might not be the color I want, but we're gonna try it anyway. But it is, it's the color. Alright, so that is my eyes. That was simple, right? The only part of it that may be a little challenging is carving out the wing part. But guys, just follow your eye. If you follow your eye, it's not that hard. Listen, I was able to do it, and I can't do eyeliner, so I'm trying to make a TikTok too. All right, so now I'm gonna do the rest of my face. Okay, so I did go in with my Juvia's Place, the Nubian Earth palette, and add in some extra shimmer on my eye because I don't feel like it was shimmery enough. So now it is. So now I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I will be back because y'all done seen me do the rest of my makeup. I'm just here for the eyes, okay? Alright, so the rest of my face is done. All I did was contour my nose with the Morphe Glam Bronze palette in the color Leader. I used I used the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1 by Juvia's Place. And now I'm about to apply my lashes. These are the Velvet Lashes by Kiss. The style is actually called Velvet. And I'm applying those with my Active Duo glue by Duo. And yeah, let's get the lashes on. I haven't worn lashes in a minute because I was getting them done. But the way my I done scratched my cornea, but it feels a lot better today because I got some eye drops for it. It don't feel like, man, yesterday it felt like something was in my eye. My eyes were swollen. They're not really swollen today, thank God. But yeah, this is gonna be a series, guys, so make sure you're subscribed. I'm gonna say it now before the end of the video. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see all 14 Valentine's Day looks, because it is going to be 14 looks. I'm going to make sure that I record a video every day. And honestly, I might over the weekend record a few so I can be ahead of the game, right? Listen, it's hard putting strips on when you still have the minks left over. Whew. Oh my gosh, it took the whole thing off. Alright, so lashes are on and face is done. I am going to now put some clothes on, come back and do my lips. My hair be finished and everything. And yeah, I'm debating on if I would even want to do any under eye stuff. Y'all, this brow gel is by NYX. It is the dark brown. And y'all, I'm loving NYX brow products right now. They're these brow gels are really nice, and actually, like, they make your brows look fuller. So go get you one of these. I might put a little mascara down there. I don't know if I really, well, I guess I could just use what's on the brush. Which was much of nothing. So yeah, I just smoked out my bottom with just a little bit of the dark brown that I use. Just a little bit, y'all, not a lot. This is not the right mascara, y'all. I'm like, why is this not doing anything? Because that's the old mascara. Okay, my eyes are like running. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to get dressed and I'll be back to show y'all the finale, if you will. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. So I added some rings. I just have my Apple Watch while I'm going to work. Some gold hoops, my butterfly chain. For my lips, I just took the same red that's on my eye and patted it on my lips and added a gloss. This is not a shirt. This is a white mini dress that I have from Silhouette Style. So I put that on, tucked it into some black jeans. I put on my black booties, and I put on the Irresistible by Givenchy and Jimmy Choo I Want You as my perfume for today. And yeah, with my hair, I just pulled it back. I just put the headband on, pulled it way back so that it falls instead of almost like I got like a little short bob going on. That's what I did. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all try this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next one. And stay chic, babes. Yes, I'm in now. That's all.